Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Water, the magnetic force for life, as well as exploration. Crossing oceans gave way to new discoveries and changed the course of history, while chasing lakes and rivers opened our horizons. As travelers, we seek waterways on vacation, driving new coastlines and returning to familiar blue spaces we have known in our past. Today, we're in Shell Knob, Missouri, and home of MariCorp US, where understanding the natural attraction to water is their business. For nearly 20 years, MariCorp has grown to become one of the largest floating boat dock manufacturing and construction firms in the United States, specializing in galvanized steel floating docks. Their 11-acre manufacturing facility in southwest Missouri has managed projects spanning coast to coast with a dedication to superior customer service, as well as offering products that are engineered to deliver the highest quality. Whether you're building a full-service marina, floating restaurant, ship's store, residential dock, or even a floating helipad, MariCorp's floating boat dock systems are known for structural integrity and engineering expertise. Much like people drawn to water, MariCorp believes that marinas are like people, where no two are the same. They approach their clients and their designs knowing that each has unique goals and challenges, tailoring solutions to your business. These durable designs extend the lifespan of your dock against the damaging effects Mother Nature has been known to deliver. Immerse yourself in water and visit MariCorp at MariCorpUS.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.